Good morning students, I am Benil, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Pondicherry College of Engineering. So this is the fourth unit, third video session. That is, I am going to teach you today Graybuck normal form. Graybuck normal form. Last video class I taught you Chomsky normal form. So today I am going to teach you Graybuck normal form. So you know what is meant by normal form and what is the syntax or what is the structure of Chomsky normal form. That means one variable tends to two variable or one variable tends to one terminal. Okay. And here this is the Graybuck normal form. So Graybuck the scientist, he suggested another one normal form, right, in order to useful for compiler design. Clear? So he suggested another one normal form, that is I told you Chomsky one variable tends to two variable or one variable tends to one terminal. This is okay for Chomsky normal form. Chomsky normal form, you just keep in mind always. And for Graybuck normal form, he suggested that one variable tends to one terminal and alpha, okay, or terminal alpha, whatever it may be, or one variable tends to terminal. Clear? I will explain you what is terminal alpha. So one variable tends to terminal, you know, whatever it is, small letter, that is terminal. And alpha means it is a combination of variable or terminal. That means combination of variable union terminal, whatever it may be. For example, it may be A, B, etc. or A, B, B, A, B, etc. Combination of variable and terminal, alpha. Okay. But here you have to understand, it should start with terminal. Okay, it should start with terminal and alpha, whatever it may be. So start with terminal and combination of alpha, no problem, combined. Okay. So this is the structure of Graybuck normal form. Graybuck, the scientist, he suggested this is the normal form. So in order to whatever the grammar they have given, we have to convert into this form. One variable tends to, it start with the terminal alpha, or terminal 1, terminal 2 alpha, terminal 3 alpha. So whatever it is, it start with the terminal, or it single terminal. Okay. So this is the Graybuck he explained. Clear? Okay. So see, that is the grammar. Before that, in order to convert the given grammar into Graybuck normal form, you should understand few things. One is, first you have to convert into Chomsky normal form. Mostly they have given Chomsky normal form as a question. That means one variable tends to two variable, or one variable tends to one terminal. Or if they are not giving a Chomsky normal form, you have to convert into Chomsky normal form. That I explained in the previous video, you just check it. Okay, so your input should be Chomsky normal form. That's what I am coming to say. That is, your question should be Chomsky normal form. If there is a Chomsky normal form, then only you can convert into Graybuck normal form. So as usual grammar, we cannot convert into Graybuck normal form. So what do you want to do? That as usual grammar, you have to convert into Chomsky, then you have to convert into Graybuck. Okay. So normally they will give a Chomsky normal form. First you have to check whether the given grammar is Chomsky normal form. Then you want to rename the grammar as A1, A2, A3. That I will explain you while doing a problem. These things you just remember as a mantra. Okay. For first you have to check Chomsky normal form given grammar. Then you want to rename the grammar. Then you want to I and j, compare I and j. If I less than j, that is actual form. So I will tell you, I will explain you. First you have to remember. If I greater than j, you want to substitute a jth production. Okay. If I equal to j, you want to use this formula. And finally, you want to convert into Graybuck normal form. Once again I will tell you, first you check whether the given grammar is Chomsky normal form. Then you want to rename the grammar, that is Chomsky normal form grammar, you have to rename. Then you want to compare ith production and jth production. If I less than j, you just no need to do any modification. If I greater than j, you want to go for modification, that is you applied a jth production there. And if I equal to j, you want to use this formula. A tends to A alpha slash beta, A tends to beta slash beta B, and B tends to alpha slash alpha B. There is nothing but if I equal to j, you are adding one more grammar, okay, one more variable or one more grammar. That is the concept, okay. That's all, okay. You just keep in this mind. I am going to do the one problem. S tends to AA slash A, and A tends to SS slash B, right? Solution. I told you, just remember, first you have to check whether the given grammar is Chomsky normal form. Whether this grammar is Chomsky normal form. Yes. Why? One variable tends to two variable, one variable tends to one terminal, one variable tends to two variable, one variable tends to one terminal. So the given grammar is Chomsky normal form. Suppose it is not Chomsky normal form, you want to convert into Chomsky normal form as a like a previous video, just refer, okay. Then second step is rename the variable. Rename the variable. Okay, renaming. How you will rename is, I told you rename the variable as A1, A2. Like that only you have to rename. It is not A3, A4. Doesn't start with A2, A3, A4. It starts with A1, A2. How is? Yes, I just renamed as A1, starting variable, and A I just renamed as A2. Only two variables there, S and A. If third variable is there, you rename it as A3. Okay. Okay. So now I apply this rename variable there. So S, that is A1. So A1 tends to A, that is A2. So A2 slash A, and A, that is A2. A2 tends to S is A1 slash B. Clear? Okay. A1 slash B. So this is the renamed grammar. You can proceed to do Graybuck normal form from this grammar. Okay. After renaming, you can. Third one, check I less than j. What is I? See, if I take first grammar, A1 tends to A2 slash A. This is the first grammar. This is ith production. This is jth production. Not this starting the arrow that is gives that arrows first one is jth production. Before one is ith production. This is I. This is j. One is I. Two is j. Okay. Now I have to check I less than j. 1, I equal to 1, j equal to 2. So whether I less than j, condition is true. If it is I less than j, no need for any modification. You keep this production as such. No need for any modification. Okay. I less than j, no need for any modification. Then second grammar I have to take. This is first one. A2 tends to A1 slash B. A1 slash B. This is second step. This is first step. Okay. So A1, A2, A1. Now this is I, this is j. I told you, right? So I is 2, j is 1. Whether I less than 1, I less than j, condition is true? No, I greater than j. This now the condition is I greater than j. Okay, I is greater than j. So if I is greater than j, what I want to do is substitute a jth production. A jth production. I told you this is a ith production. This is a jth production. Clear? You very carefully you have to listen, because it will confuse you. But if you listen very carefully and if you try to work out, you can clearly you can get it the concept of this Graybuck normal form. See, I greater than j, I is greater than j. So I have to, if I greater than j, substitute a jth production. So a jth production means A1. This is a jth production, right? Ith production, jth production, A1. So A2 tends to, in this place, I want to substitute A1 production, that is a jth production, this production I want to substitute here. Okay, once again, why I substitute this production? If I greater than j, this is condition is I greater than j, true. Then if I greater than j, apply a jth production, substitute a jth production. So now a jth production. So this is a jth production. So A2 slash A. See, in this place alone I am substituting. So again I have A1 slash B. Clear? So in this A1 alone I have substitute a jth production into A1. That means again one A1 is there. Now ordinary multiplication you just do it. So A2 this A1 comes inside, A1 slash AA1 slash B. Okay, A2 tends to, right? Again you want to check whether this is less than. If it is less than, no problem. Greater than, if it is greater than, I and J is greater than, what you want to do? You have to go for apply substituting a jth production. So now I want to check if it is less than or greater than. 2, 2, I also 2, J also 2. So I is equal to J. Again one condition is there. If I equal to J, modify the production using this formula or using this method. Okay, modify the production using this method. A tends to A alpha slash beta, A tends to beta slash beta B, B tends to alpha slash alpha B. You know this form, right? So if I is equal to J, apply the formula, A tends to A alpha slash beta and A tends to beta slash beta B and B tends to alpha slash alpha B. Clear? This formula you have to apply. Okay, nothing but I want to find alpha and beta from this formula, So in this formula you very clearly you want to understand this one is the method, this one is the comparison thing, right? So if it is A tends to A alpha slash beta, these two are equal, then you have to apply this two formula. That is the thing. Clear? See, you compare this one is that one. A tends to A, both are same. A, this is alpha and this is everything is beta. Clear? Clear? You compare first formula with here. It is like look like that. A tends to A alpha slash beta. A tends to, A means A2, tends to A alpha, this is alpha and this everything is beta. Clear? So now I can find alpha. What is alpha? First, what is A? A means, here I compare, A tends to A alpha, A2. A means A2. Clear? And what is alpha? A alpha. This is A tends to A, this everything is alpha. After A it comes now, A2, A1. Alpha is A2, A1. What is beta? Remaining everything is beta. A1 slash beta. A1 slash beta. Sorry, B, A1 slash B. So I find alpha and beta and A, right? So I have to apply that two things with this formula. Okay, one more production you will get, that is the concept. See, A means A2 tends to beta. Beta means I have A1 slash B slash beta, again beta, A1 slash B into B. Okay, into B. Now B tends to alpha. Alpha means A2, A1 slash alpha, A1 slash B. Okay, sorry, into B. It is nothing but you have to substitute, that is B inside there. Now A2 tends to A1 slash B slash, I have to substitute here A1 B slash BB. Clear? Only multiplication. And B tends to A2 A1 slash A2 B. Clear? Okay. Now see, already this is I less than J, I have one production, right? No need to modify. If I greater than J, I have modified the production, I get two production. From that production I get two grammar, A and B. Okay, A and B, A2 and B, I get two grammar. That is the concept. So already one production is there, no? That also I have to write. A1 tends to A2 slash A. Okay, now I will get these things. From this, we want to convert into Gray-Buck normal form. The thing is, just listen, if it is equal to J, surely you will get one grammar into Chomsky normal form. One grammar as a Chomsky normal form. See, I have A2, A2, same. Then I applied the formula and I got one term, that is A2 terminal alpha. That is here. See, terminal alpha. So no issue. Surely one term you will get a Gray-Buck normal form. From that term you apply, then you will get a Gray-Buck normal form. I will tell you. Now I am going for A1. A1 tends to A2 is not a Gray-Buck normal form. I need to have one small letter, that means start with terminal and alpha. So in this place A2, I am going to apply the whole terms because I have Grayburg normal form A2. Already I got it. So in this A2, I am going to apply the whole term. That is A1 slash B slash A1 B slash BB into A2 slash A. Can you get it? Okay. Now A also A1 into this A2 and B this A2 and A1B A2 and BB A2 slash A. So A1 also I got as a Chomsky normal form, terminal alpha. I told you, no, terminal means one small letter it should start. Okay, not only here, every terms you just check it. It start with each and every production start with the terminal. Alpha, no issue. It may be combination of variable or maybe variable or terminal, no problem. Clear? So see, A1 also I got it as a Chomsky normal form. A2 also I got it as Chomsky normal form. Another one term is there, B. B tends to simply A2 is there, right? So you have to apply A2 productions here. So A2, right? A2 A1. So A1 slash B slash A1 B slash BB into A1 slash, again this all here also you have to apply A2, right? Some students what they will do is simply the second production they will write A2 A1B. No, that is not an answer. A final answer you should have this, every production have terminal alpha. So in this A2 also again you can apply A1 slash B slash A1B slash BB into where B into A1B. Okay, so you will get it like A1, that A1, this A1, B-A1 and A slash A1B A1 slash BB A1 slash, here also A1 into A1B slash B A1B slash A1B. Clear? It comes like biggest term. See, now you check it, B terminal alpha. Okay, finally you just write it what is A1, what is A2 and what is B. Conclude it. Finally you just write is what is A1, A2 and what is B. Okay, so now you check A1 is also terminal alpha like Grayburg normal form. A2 is also Grayburg normal form and B is also Grayburg normal form. Clear? So I have given 2 more problems in your notes. Please, my suggestion is you just work out the problem, and if you get any confusion, just see your standard other book also, and if you have any more queries, you can contact me. Okay, thank you.